Hello, welcome guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's our point is to write a program to remove all the character except alphabets. Here is your string that is C10 hash D percentile E and R. And our aim is to print all the alphabet and remove all the other digits and special character. Then how can we do that? Before moving to the program, we will see the logic and move to the program. You can see here the orange block showing all the stored value in array, that is C10 hash D percentile E R and /0, that is the null character automatically stored by the compiler. So first of all, what should we do here is to check the character one by one, examine that and remove one by one all the other part except alphabet. It may be uppercase or lowercase. So let's see the first character on the position of 0. It is C. So we will not remove the C because it is alphabet. We want to remove the special character or digit. So we will not remove the C. Let's move to the next position. At position 1 there is 1. We will remove here 1 and print all the string as it is. Here you can see that in next block 1 is removed, and at position 1 there is O. O is at position number 2, but we have removed the 1, and at one position there is O, and we print all the string as it is. Removed 1. We print all the string as it is after 1. Then how can we do that in programming logic? Let's see. What is our I value? Suppose it is 1 and we are removed that, but we have to print the next string. Then we will have, this is the a of I equal to a of I plus 1. In a of I we will print the a of I, that is 1, that is removed, and we will add plus 1 in that, so that the next string automatically stored in next step. After that we will check the again from position 1, and now on position 1 O is there. We will not remove it because it is alphabet. Check next position, that is 2 position, and it is hash, which is a special character, so we will remove it, and next block shows the hash is removed, and on position 2 instead of hash there is D. This process is going on, still our answer is in only alphabet. So this is the last block showing that all the other digit and special character removed, and they printed only the alphabet. So this is the logic. It's let's move to the program and do it practically using C programming. Let's see the program. First of all, we will need two header file, that is stdio.h, standard input and output, and second one is audio.h, console input and output. After that we will need void main. Okay, why we are using here void main? It will indicates that the main function will not return any value. Okay, then we will need here data types, that is integer I, j, and flag. Its value is 0. Then print the message, that is enter the string. Use here getters. In getters, uh, give your, okay, we are using here string, that's why we will need here character string. It should be suppose 50, and in getters use a. Why we are using here getters is it read characters from stdin and stores them in str until a new line character or end of file is found. Then we will use for loop here. For I equals to 0, a of I is not equal to new line and increment. In for loop, for I equal to 0, it means it start from 0, it means that it will execute till new line is executed. When it will reach to the next line, then the loop will stop executing. Then we will need in for loop again if for checking it is alphabet or not. It is not equal to, okay, we will remove. First of all, we will just enter the condition a of I is greater than or equal to small a, and a of I is greater than, smaller than, or equal to small z. Then we will use here or condition. It means that it is greater than small a and less than small z. In ASCII code, the small a value is 97 and small z value is 122. It means that it is between 97 to 128. Let's run the another condition. A of I is greater than or equal to capital A, and A of I less than or equal to capital Z. In ASCII code, the value of capital A is 65 and capital Z is 90. It means that its range is from 65 to 90. Let's run the again condition next. That is or A of I equals to 0, and the next condition is A of I equals to space, means it count this space and 0 also. Sorry, instead of using this here, we will use after the last, and here we are using not, means except the alphabets, spaces and 0, we will remove all the other parts from the string. After if we will again require the for loop. For j equals to I, a of j is not equal to the new line and j plus plus. Why we are using here the j? After if we will need another one for loop for printing the next string as it is. After removing the first digit of special symbol, that is j equal to I is I delete the digit or symbol and j take the position of I and print the same string again as it is. In for loop, then again we will need here a of j equal to a of j plus 1. It means I take the position of j, and then after that we will need a of j equals to 0. A of j equal to 0 is used for stop the same string printing again. We will use here flag is equal to 1. We can declare anywhere in the loop. We will use here flag is equal to 1. The flag is used to determine the next step of program. This means that suppose in our string 2 times special symbol or digit is there. Let's see some example. This is an example of using the flag and not using the flag. In first step you are using here, we do not use the flag and the output is here. See here are two types of digit or special symbol, but the program take only one, and in output our program is like this. It will not take the two, it will print like this. Suppose it will remove the two but it will not remove the plus. But after using the flag, it will remove all the special symbol and digit in our string. Here are two times printed the digit and the special character, but after using the flag we remove all the special character and symbol, and our output is like totally alphabets. After that we will need if flag is equal to 1, I minus it will decrement, and after that flag is equal to 0. If we do not use the 0 here, then it will go to the infinite loop. Here I minus is used for suppose two symbols and special character are in continuous form, then it will check the form and get back to the same position, and then again check it will digit or symbol, and then remove it, and then again back to the same position. And after that, if suppose it may be alphabet, then it will not remove, and it will goes to the first for loop, and it will increment the same condition again. If it is not the alphabet, then it will decrement till suppose till it will get the alphabet from the string. And finally we will display our message. We will display the message here, printf string, let's here original string, and can printf using %s. Let's run and see our output. Enter the string, suppose awesome. Output is correct, awesome take. So what is removed here? After awe there is 4 is removed, yes is there, s is not removed because it is alphabet. After that 8 is removed, and in techie te, after that te, here are two symbol and digit, that is 2 and hash, both are removed, and your output is techie, and space is also calculated there. So this is the output. If you like that video, please hit that like button and subscribe and share.